Click cell C4. You will use the rate function to calculate the interest rate required to reach a savings goal of $250,000, given an initial investment of $50,000 and deposits of $7,000 a month for 24 months. Type =rate, open parenthesis, in cell C. As you type, Excel's autocomplete feature prompts you for function arguments. Click cell E4. The number of deposits, or payments, N per, is 24. Type a comma. Click cell F4. The monthly payment amount, PMT, is $7,000. Note the number in cell F4 is a negative number because these deposits are a negative cash flow. Type a comma. Click cell B4. The present value, PV, of the investment is the initial deposit of $50,000. Again, a negative cash flow. Type a comma. Click cell G4. The investment goal, FV, is $250,000. Type close parenthesis. Press Enter. Excel performs the calculation and displays a monthly interest rate of 0.9%. You need to multiply this rate by 12 to determine the annual interest rate.